Hey there, YouTube enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to set up YouTube TV family sharing in 2025. If you've got a family full of streaming lovers, this feature is a game changer. It lets you share your subscription seamlessly, so everyone can enjoy their favorite shows without doubling up on costs. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have a YouTube TV subscription. Open the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, phone, or head to the website on your computer. Log in with your Google account. That's the key to everything. Once you're in, navigate to the settings menu. It's usually in the top right corner or under your profile icon. Look for the Family and Sharing option, which has been updated in 2025 for better integration with Google Home. Now, click on Manage Family Sharing. You'll see an option to add members. Enter the email addresses of the family members you want to include. Up to 6 people can join your plan. They'll get an invitation via email or their Google account. Make sure they accept it promptly. Next, customize permissions if needed. For example, you can set viewing limits or restrict certain content for kids, thanks to the new 2025 parental controls. After everyone is added, review your plan details. You might need to adjust your subscription if adding members increases your cost slightly, but it's still a steal compared to individual plans. Hit Save or Confirm, and voila, your family sharing is set up. One quick tip. If you run into issues, double-check that all accounts are using the same Google Family group. And remember, this setup works across devices, so stream on the go. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2025 tech guides. See you next time.